Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. So in the last tutorial we have trained our model, so and saved the model as neural model.h5, and you can see under smiling dino folder there is a new file name as neural model.h5. so this is my trained model. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to have prediction through images, through a smiling image or close face image, and give this in condition, that is when I'm smiling you should jump, and when I'm not smiling you shouldn't jump. Okay, so this input should be sent to this probe. Okay, so how can we do so? For that reason, what I have done is I have taken help of a py file that is collected from GitHub, and this is the source which I have collected. Okay, and here I don't think you should know in details of it, and I myself I don't know how it works. So what I am going to do is I am just going to collect some function from this py file, and obviously I will give the link of this directkeys.py so that you can download. So just make another new file, Control N, and save as play.py. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is import cb2, import TensorFlow as tf, then import numpy as np, import time. I don't think it will be required, but import it from directkey, import press key. So this is a function which will press any key which you commanded, then release key. So this is another function which will release if you say just release it. Then I will be needed. Okay, I am in no need of anything. Okay, now just load the model. So model equal to tf.keras.models.load model, and pass out there the name of the model. So the name of the model is neural model.h5. so this is the name of my model, trained model. Now I am going to collect images from my camera webcam. So cb2 dot video capture. Now I don't think I no need of this. So here I have to spacebar. So spacebar. So in directkeys.py, for every key of keyboard there is a hexagonal value, and for spacebar there is a value of 20. Okay, hexagonal value. So what I'm doing here, I am going to assign this value here to spacebar. Okay, so now write a infinite loop and collect the frame. I think I should copy these codes from data collector. Okay, crop. So just copy these lines, Ctrl C, and bring it here. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, I think I should collect another line. Okay, this line, Ctrl C and Ctrl B, so that a rectangle is drawn out there. Now I should collect this line too, Ctrl C, and bring these lines here. Okay, I don't think I am in need of this. Just cut this line. Now so this is the image which I am going to feed my model. So this is my model. I want to have prediction for this crop image, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the dimension crop dim equal to tf dot expand. Since model take batch of image to predict, so I want to make a batch of single image. So expand dims and pass out there crop and expand dimension by 0, and that is externally, and prediction equal to model dot predict and pass out there crop dim. So you can print the prediction here. So print prediction, so 0 0, and here if int numpy dot round, and here prediction, so 0 0, and if this value is equal 1, then I'm going to have previous, okay, here place previous key equal to 0. So where I was, okay, so previous key equal 1, and press bar, now I want to have press key and pass out there space bar, so space bar will be pressed, and release key, so and release space bar, and give a time dot sleep 0.005 second, and print out there pressed. Okay, now okay, everything should work fine now. Okay, I made an error here. I should use direct keys. Okay, and another thing I forgot to do is here I have to resize the image. So crop equal to cb2 dot resize, and pass out the crop and give the shape of 100 by 100. Okay, and everything should work fine. Okay, now run the code, and this is my game. Okay, this is the frame, and if I smile, you can see. Okay, next time. Oh, I'm not working fine here. Oh, so you can try it and practice. Okay, so this is all, and this is how we can make the project. And if you like my project, or if you like my effort, please don't forget to subscribe. In the next tutorial series, I am going to implement my the racing game project, so you are invited out there. Thank you.